Hey, it's my favorite person! Want to learn how to make cheesy cornbread muffins?
Start by mixing 1 tablespoon of lemon juice into 1 cup of milk. In a large mixing bowl, add 3/4 of a cup of flour, 3/4 of a cup of cornmeal, a tablespoon of sugar, 1½ teaspoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon each of garlic powder, onion powder, and paprika, and a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Mix these dry ingredients together and then cut in 4 tablespoons of finely diced cold butter with either a pastry cutter or 2 forks. Once the butter is cut into the flour, add the soured milk and 1 large egg, mixing well. Fold in 4 ounces of shredded cheddar cheese. Preheat the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit and line a muffin tin with paper liners.
Spray the paper liners with cooking spray and evenly divide the batter into 12 portions. Bake the muffins at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes, rotating the pan once at the halfway mark. When the muffins are done baking, let them cool in the tin for 5 minutes before transferring them to a wire rack to cool for another 10 minutes.
All that's left is to make these cheesy cornbread muffins a reality in your kitchen. You'll be glad you did.